Hi viewer, in this lesson I'll guide you through mastering figure drawing, proportions using techniques from Andrew Loomis, his classic methods, and I've got a page here demonstrating how he uses the proportions of the body using the head as a unit of measurement. So here we've got a person bending over, about 5 heads, so there's 8 heads in all there. Then we've got a seated person here, about 6 1/4 heads, and kneeling down, 4 3/4 heads, and sitting on the floor, 4 1/4. So it's a very handy system. So I'll be using drawing stick figures. And in a previous lesson, this is a previous lesson, this was very popular. It's a children's game. They're actually cleaning the floor in school. Kids do the cleaning and the teachers do the cleaning at school. So it's fun. They race along the floor with a little mat like this. But here I've drawn some stick figures doing various things. And I'd like to repeat this idea today and give you a really fun at the later on in the video. I'm going to draw a similar picture here, but this game you can play it with your friends. So I'll teach you how to do it anyway. It's very simple, but it's a lot of fun. So let's start off with the stick figures. So the first figure I'm going to do, this is about 8 centimeters. So the head is the unit of measure, and we'll just very lightly sketch with the position of the head. Now, this center line will be very helpful for you to find balance. So there's the head, approximately about 1.2 centimeters, and he's going to be leaning back actually, and I'll just do his rib cage. So the rib cage is about here. I might have drawn this just a little bit too long there, and this can be a little bit higher. Okay, so the proportions are very simple, but I won't go into too much detail just now. I want to show you basically what I'm doing. So this is his rib cage, and just to there. This is the halfway point. This is where the crotch usually is in a standing figure. Right, we can have his hips way out here, and the knee, just below the knee is the halfway point. So this is the crotch here, and his knee. This is a little tiny bit long. You adjust as you go. Right, that's better. Okay, so knee is about. Well, as I said, it's halfway along the crotch, so it's at about 1.5 or thereabouts. And we'll bring his other leg down here, the other part of his leg, and give him something to stand on. And this one will come straight down that center line. Knees more or less in the same position, slightly lower. And it comes out to way past his head. So we can draw that. Might be slightly long. We can extend, maybe put his foot in that direction. So I can't recommend enough the idea of using stick figures, especially if you're doing illustration or if you're writing a comic book or something like that, or anything, even if you're serious about drawing the figure and painting the figure. Okay then, viewer, this is a fun game. I'll draw the object of this game here. We're at the beach. They get this plastic sheet like so, and they put a watermelon on the top. Okay, so that's our little watermelon there. Just rough it in first of all. So there you have it, everyone. My little design on using stick figures. I recommend practicing with these stick figures and putting them into any shape you want to any pose. And as I said before, make the pose yourself. Do it yourself and get the feeling of it. You're a bit like a director and an actor at the same time in art, so that's why it's so much fun. But anyway, we got this little game going, and I recommend you play it with your friends. When it's summertime, just put out a plastic sheet and get a broom handle or something like that, and it's fun. You can tell the person, or you're near, or you're just to the right, or something like that, and it's a lot of fun, and everyone giggles their head off. So hopefully, I think it's a Japanese game, but if you have heard of this elsewhere, I'd really like to know. They do it a lot here, I do know that. Okay, so please, if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's very supportive for me. And please make a comment if you could. Thank you so much for watching.